Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right tools and identifying the snap type. This matters because press snaps and sew-on snaps require different removals. Once you know the type, work where the fabric is supported and gently pry up the rim or cut the stitching, making small deliberate movements so you don't enlarge the hole. Make sure to keep removed parts for reference. They show size and orientation, which you'll match when installing the new snap. Now you align the new snap pieces, the post through the fabric and the cap on the visible side, because correct orientation prevents failures. Once aligned, use a setter or anvil, support the back and strike the setter with controlled force. This compresses and locks the snap without crushing the fabric. If the fabric is thin, add a small backing patch to distribute pressure. Make sure to check alignment before the final strike, because reposition. Finish by trimming stray threads and testing the snap through its full motion several times. Smooth action indicates success. If it's loose, you can crimp the cap a fraction tighter or insert a thin fabric washer to take up slack, because small adjustments often solve retention issues. If the hole is oversized, stop, repair with a small patch, restitch, and repunch a correctly sized hole, since forcing a snap into a too large hole leads to rapid failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.